In this video series, we're building the Bitaxe Gamma board, version 6.01. It uses a single BM1370 ASIC, the same chip used in the Antminer S21 Pro. In part 1, I'll work on the back side of the board. In part 2, I'll do the front side. First, I 3D print the stencil jig. The STL files are available for free on my GitHub repo if you want them. I install the brass heatset inserts with a soldering iron and a special tip. Then I trim the stencil to the right size and secure it in the jig with a few screws. I do that for both sides of the Bitaxe stencil. Now I put the new board in the jig, add some solder paste, and use a small spatula to fill all the openings. Then I put the board under the microscope and follow the HTML BOM file. You can find it in the manufacturing files folder. I open each component tape, count how many parts I need, and place them on my silicone mat. Then I pick up each part and place it on the board. When you order the parts, make sure to buy a few extra, especially the capacitors and resistors. These tiny parts can easily fly away, and if you're not used to handling them with tweezers, it's easy to press too hard or not hard enough and send them across the room. Also, clean your tweezers often. Every time the tips touch the solder paste, things get messy. Then the SMD parts won't release properly from the tweezers because they are so light. After placing everything, I turn on my hot air station, set it to 350 degrees and use the lowest airflow. I start gently by warming up the PCB first, then I work across the board, one component at a time. Try not to move too fast and watch each component as it settles into place. For the IC, I add add a little flux and use tweezers to move it into position until it lines up properly. Then I check carefully to make sure there are no solder bridges or shorts between the pins. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions or suggestions, just drop a comment below.